Hello students, today we will learn how to draw perpendicular from a given point to the given line and the point is outside the given line. So let us draw a first line L and we will take a point A outside it. You can see that a point A is outside line L. Now if I want to draw perpendicular from point A on line L, I will take a rounder and in that we will fix a radius such that when I draw from A, it should intersect line L at two distinct points like this. Again I will say you have to take a rounder, in that you have to fix up a radius of your own choice. The condition is when you draw an arc from a point A, that arc must intersect line L at two distinct points. So arc from point A is intersecting line L at point P and Q. Now I will keep the pointer of the rounder at point P, as you can see, which is on line L, and from there I will draw arc downward side like this. Same radius without changing it, the nail of the pointer will go on Q. The nail of the rounder will go on point Q and draw an arc which intersect the previous arc drawn like this. The intersection of two arcs, we will name it as R, the point R. We will going to draw a line passing through point A and R. So I can say that ray AR is perpendicular on line L. Only perpendicular I am saying. I am not using any word, and we will name that as X and the symbol we put it of perpendicular. I hope it is clear. Let us see one more example. Take point B on the same line. If you want, you can take it on a different line also. We will draw first arc as we have done in the previous. We have to fix up a radius in a rounder such that it can intersect line L at two distinct points from point B. We will name those points as T and S, and now the rounder's pointer will kept on T and S and draw an arc downward side. We will name that point as T, and then we will draw a line which will be perpendicular on line L. So ray BW is perpendicular on line L, and we indicate that by point Y and 90-degree angle. Not necessary that the points can be always on the upper side of the line. It could be lower side also. So let us take a point C which is on the down side, that is lower side of line L. Method will remain same, means we will take a rounder, in that we will fix up a radius such that when I draw an arc from point C, it should intersect line L at two distinct points like this. Got it? Name those points D and E, and now from point D and E with the same radius, or you can change it or you can reduce it, but it should be more than half of the segment DE, and from point D and E we will draw arc on the opposite side of a line of point C. So we got the arc here. We are taking a point as F and drawn a line, that is ray CF. Again I can say it is perpendicular on line L. The marking is done by symbol and named it as point Z. I hope now you understood how to draw a perpendicular from a point given outside the line.